If you want to change language on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to open settings on our phone. Now we're gonna scroll all the way down and then go to system. After that you should be able to find the languages option. So if you go over here, then you have the option to choose system languages. So in this case we can press add a language, choose the language that you wish to add. Let's say I'm gonna choose English, and then in some cases, in the case of some languages, we have the option to also choose the region. So if there are any regional differences of the same language, then of course you can choose your specific region. Let's say I'm going to choose United Kingdom. And there we go. The first language that is on this list is the one that is used on the phone. So you can use these two lines in order to change the order, and then you can confirm that you want to change to another language. You can tap on these three dots in the top right corner to choose remove, and then you can tick boxes next to languages that you wish to remove from your phone. Press this trash icon over here at the top in order to confirm your choice. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.